What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid PayPal money for free just doing nothing. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel. And it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm discussing today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, please guys, follow me on Instagram. It's at AppGrind. You can DM me there if you have any type of question you want to know about all the money making methods that I teach. And make sure you type "get your grind on" when you DM me or when you leave a comment in one of my posts on Instagram. Now, one more thing. Don't forget to type that code word that pops up somewhere in this video, because it's going to help you get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. So please watch out for the code word that pops up in this video. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at this website, and the name of the website is Smart App. Now I'm gonna show you two sites, and both of them are apps. So you can get this app in the Google Play Store or the App Store or the Apple App Store. Now, let me go ahead and tell you what this website is all about and show you how you can make money from this by just doing nothing. So it says here, make your interests matters. Join the Smart App research study and be part of an inferential network to teach users who turn their data into useful insights and extra cash. So you'll click right here to sign up. Now, why join? So build a better digital world. The Smart App community empowers tech users from all walks of life to help improve online services loved and used by millions of people every day. Be part of an elite community. Join an extensive community of influencers and research participants in sharing your meaningful insights and opinions. And these are what some of the members are saying. I'm not going to read all this. When you come to the site, you can read that, guys. Now, let's go ahead and see how it works. So you sign up, take a short survey to find out if you qualify to participate in the Smart App research study. Install. Once you're qualified, install Smart App on your registered devices. Then number 3, enjoy. Keep your devices connected and take surveys to earn rewards for contributing important insights. So all you're going to do, guys, is just install this app on there, do a few surveys, get paid. Very easy. You really don't have to do anything. So about the data that we collect. Now it's privacy, so the smart app runs in the background while anonymously and securely collecting data about how you use your device. We collect the data about the usage of devices, device features, apps, websites, and services to learn more. So basically, guys, they're not going to, take any of your information, important information. They just monitoring your device and understand the use of the device and the apps and the websites and services. And basically, you really get paid just to have this app on your phone. So how is the data used? So the research data collected in the smart app research study is used to help your favorite apps, websites, and technology companies improve their services and features for everyone. We do not share your personal or protected information such as credit card information, passwords with third parties. So you don't have to worry about that, guys. Your personal information will be safe. So let's just look at how you earn. So all you have to do is, so it says here, take surveys to earn cash, get automatically entered in monthly giveaways just for keeping your device connected. That's all you have to do, guys. Just keep it connected. You get a chance to win monthly giveaways and you're going to earn cash. Regular rewards, qualifying participants can earn $5 for every 30 days. For every 30 days, your device stay connected, plus extra loyalty bonus every 3 months. So guys, you don't even have to do the surveys, anything. You just have your device connected and you're going to get $5. I know that's not much, but that's some little cash you can use. Everybody can use just a little cash. You know what I'm saying? It's better than zero. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to say about this app. But let me go ahead and go to the website and just show you how it looks, and might look at the rating and the reviews right quick. Okay, I'm on the Google Play Store and I pulled up the app. And let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 3.7. I know it's not 4. 4 stars is always a good app, but it's close to 4, so it's still a pretty good app. It probably just have maybe some bugs here and there. That's what most of the time people rate these apps kind of low, because it maybe was going through updates and people phone is not adjusting to the update on the app. So it could be a numerous of things, reason why people give it a low rating. So let me just read one review. So Kaylee, she says, have used this app for over a year and have absolutely loved it. So love the extra surveys sent to my email. So this person is happy with it and had it for a whole year and she's happy. So guys, if you're ready to go ahead and make some money, doing absolutely nothing with just an app on your phone, just sitting there and you collecting money, go ahead and go to Smart App in Google Play and go to their website, which is smartapp.io. Now let me go to the second app, and I'm just going to briefly talk about it because I've talked about it before, so I'm not going to stay long talking about that app, but let me go ahead and go to that app right now. Okay guys, I'm at the next app and it's Slidejoy. Yes, I have talked about this app before, but it's been some months. It's been a while, but I want to bring it up because it's a good app to use if you don't want to do anything and you get paid. So what it is, it's a lock screen and they're going to show you ads and you get paid every time you view those ads on your lock screen. So basically that's what it is. And you can get free gift cards for just looking at ads on your lock screen. So it gives you rewards for using using our intelligent, easy to use lock screen. Check your notifications and favorite apps right on your lock screen. Receive carrots and redeem them for gift cards. Enjoy trending news and timely ads on your lock screen. News, deals, and ads on your lock screen are tailored to your preference. We give you carrots daily the next day. So also Slidejoy provides you with various additional redemption options to make money or receive gift cards. Amazon gift card, Google Play gift card, Walmart, Starbucks, and more, just for unlocking your phone. So that's all you got to do, guys. You just put this on your phone, and every time you look at an ad, you get paid. And let's look at the rating. So the rating out of 5 stars is 3.7. Again, they probably had an update on the app, and people, it did not work that good on people's phone, because that's what happens when these apps do updates. Sometimes they don't work too good at first, but then as the phone get used to the new update, then it starts working good. So let's see, let's look at one of these reviews right quick. Here's one. I know you got only 3 stars, but let's just see what they got to say. Diego said the app itself has worked as described for the past few years, and the payouts have been nice. So this person is happy. They've been having it for 2 years, and they've been getting paid for 2 years. So guys, this is a good little app to put on your lock screen on your phone. So you want to go ahead and check this out and see if you like it or not, and get paid for doing nothing. Go to Slidejoy, lock screen, cash rewards, and it's only available on Google Play. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about both of these apps. And please don't forget to type the code word that pops up somewhere in this video. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. You need to be financially free, guys. You don't want to live paycheck to paycheck and struggle all your life. It's time to be financially free, and I want to help you guys. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, before I go, I want you guys to drop a creative comment, because sometimes I do shout outs. So if you want to get a shout out, please drop a creative comment along with the code word that pops up in this video. And please subscribe to my other channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. And check out my podcast show, which is called Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. I really appreciate you guys. Check those out. Share it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. Keep supporting me, and I'm going to keep dropping this content. And also drop in the comments what country you're from, so I can make sure that the method that I research will work in your country. So drop that down in the comments below. All right, one more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a blessed day.
Get your grind on.